Hi, welcome back to Weekly Review Hints and Tips by Mr. Brown, Arcadia Middle School, Rochester, New York. All right, in Weekly Review 4, you'll see that we have a word problem for number 1. We have another word problem for number 2. We have something from the first unit on number 3, and a question that we talked about recently on number 4. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to work from the bottom up, okay? Number 4, it says simplify the expression, write your answer in exponential notation. You have to understand that exponential notation is 2 to the 15th power. 32, well, that's called standard form, standard decimal form. Okay, and that's exponential form. What you have to do is find out how many 2's it takes to multiply to get to 32. And I'll show you real quick. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And, well, I'll just show it to you anyways. 16 times 2 is 32. So if you look right here, there are 5 multiplying 2's. So you can go 2 to the 15th divided by 2 to the 5th. And no, it's not 2 to the 16th. It's 2 to the 5th. Look at right there, see where you can see. Remember, it's multiplication, 2 things at a time. That said, it should be really easy for you to figure out 2 to the 4th power written in standard form. Standard form is a number that looks like that. Okay. Number 2 says a label on a 1.5 pound bag. I'll go 1.5. It's the same thing as 1.5 pound bag. Okay. The label on a 1.5 pound bag of wildflower seeds states that it will cover an area of 375 square feet. Okay. Based on this information, what is the number of square feet that 1 pound of wildflower seeds can cover? Well, they gave you 1 pound of sunflower seeds. Okay. They want you to find out the number of square feet that a 1 pound bag will hold. Well, you can just put this as x, so you can get 1.5 over 1 equals 375 over x. You can then cross multiply like you did last year in 7th grade. Solve for x and you're good to go. Okay. Last but not least, if not less, Craig went bowling with the $25 to spend. He rented shoes for $5.25 and paid $4 for each game. What was the greatest number of games Craig could have played? Well, he starts with 25. He spends $5.25 on shoes. So when you line up the decimals, you're going to have to subtract whatever this is. How many games can he play with that much left? Oops. Well, that concludes the hints and tips for Weekly Review 4. I hope you found this basically helpful. If you want any further things from me, let me know. If you want to see other features on this besides the answers themselves, which I practically gave you number 4, let me know. All right, well anyways, talk to you soon. Thanks.